Hello guys, so let's do a few more questions on simplification, and obviously we've already discussed these questions come in IBPS and SBI PO exams. Obviously I'm not going to discuss the normal concepts directly, the shortcut. So let's start with a few more questions here. Here we go. Uh, Obviously I've taken all these questions straight from actual examinations, right? Fair enough. Now again, once again, look at your options first. Quite far away from each other, right? Which means a little bit of approximation is possible. Now let's see how to solve this now. Now in this whole question, the only thing which you needed to know was this: the square root of 1296, which is nothing but 36. Now trust me, you can actually solve this question verbally. कुछ भी special नहीं है. Let's see how. Square root of this is 36. 36 into 2. See, obviously if you want I'll write it down also, but it's not required. It's basically 10 seconds question, nothing special. So square root of this is 36. 36 into 2 is 72. ये मिल गया आपको 72. Now trust me, again verbally let's try. I'll write it down, but verbally first try कीजिए. If this is 72, this is already in division, which means 72 has to divide these numbers, right? Approximately if I divide this by 72, लिखना नहीं है एग्जाम में आपको, you'll get approximately 1.3, 1.4, something like that. Not even 1.5, 1.2, 1.3 कुछ इतना मिलेगा. That's it. Guys, the reason we are able to do this is my options are quite far away. So I'll get 1.2, which means this number is going to be 1.2. If you cut this and this, it's 1.2, 1.3. I need approximate answer here. Now when you multiply this by this, 576 into 1.2 or 1.3, can I say you'll get approximately 750, 800, 700? That's what you're supposed to know. See, you can't do like this. No, it's a crime if you do it like this. The meaning of this is nothing but 20% extra. That's why, knowing these decimals, reciprocals, percentage concepts are so important. 20% extra of this number. What is the meaning of this? 100 into 1.2. The answer of this is 120. Right? Very small example, which means nothing but 20% extra on the same number. 20% extra on the same number, right? So it's the same thing what we are doing here. 20% extra of the same number. See, 20 or 30%, something, right? Which would mean I'll get approximately 120 extra. 130 extra, 140 extra, something like that, right? Which means overall when you do this, your answer would be around 750, 700, not more than that, around 700. So when you multiply 1.2 into this, you'll get 700. Now see, this is the skill set which is required, doing it faster. 700. So ये कट कर दिया फटाक से, approximately इसको multiply किया around 700, which is equal to something ka cube, which I don't know, and I've already told you in my previous session also that don't try and find this out, just find this number out. हम ये number निकालेंगे, then उसका cube root वगैरह सब देख लेंगे. Plus, so can I say this is x plus 7? So this is, it's a very small number. Square root of 49 plus 7 is a very small number. So can I say this number, this whole number, not the cube or something, no, just the number has to be approximately. See, this 7 will get deducted from here, which will be 693. It doesn't make much of a difference. So to be honest, if you see it properly, एकदम बकवास था, इसका कोई जरूरत ही नहीं था. It's a very small number. When we are adding, addition and subtraction में एक सबसे बड़ा number 700 है, तो 7 won't make much of a difference. So what I've got here is, this should be approximately 700, 800, 750 something. So what answer will get? So can I take this as around 729, right? Which means, so again, you don't have to write down all those things. X cube is equal to approximately 700 होना चाहिए, which means this will be approximately 9. That's it. You're supposed to know all those squares and cubes. I've discussed a number of times. So trust me, a verbal question, yes, it might look odd what I've done here, but it's nothing. Seriously nothing. If you know this, this is 36, 36 into 2, 72. ये कट हो जाएगा, approximately 1.2, 1.3 मिलेगा. 1.2, 1.3 से multiply करोगे, around 700 मिलेगा. So 700 is equal to something का cube plus this 7. That's it. If you write this much only in exam is sufficient. You should be able to easily get the answer. Hope this is clear. Let's move forward now. Yeah, now this is a good one. Yes. To be honest, yes, again, the options are quite far away, so you can get answers faster, but it's a very good question. Right? Again, I think it is 2016 or 17, either SBI or IBPS PO examination question. Now let's see how can you get it faster now. Now, first thing which you are supposed to do is this into this. See, if you want, again, I can write, but the writing won't make any sense. It will defy the purpose of this video itself, right? So this into this. So 15 4s are 60, which means this is nothing but 6 to the power 4. But that's what you're supposed to write. Right? Now this is already in division. Now division, when I say multiplication, so it will become reciprocal. Now the most important part, 0 0 will get cut. Divide 3, directly divide 3 and write the answer here. 1 by, write the answer. Right? Let's see how. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 36 to the power 4, 36 to the power 4. That's what you get. Again, see, when I'm explaining, it takes some time. In examination, you can do it very fast. Into, this is 27 into 8 to the power 4. Now I know more or less almost everything is coming in 3 and 2. See, this is 3 and 2. That is what has to click. This is 3. Everything is in 3 and 2. There's no other number. This is also 3 and 2. My answer जो मुझे पूछ रहा वो भी 3 and 2 है. Trust me, ये click होना चाहिए. Take your time. Take 5 seconds just to understand what have they asked. सीधा बैठ के solve मत करना चालू करो, because in understanding, when you take those 5 seconds, it will save a lot of time of your, or of your actual calculation. Let's see this now. Can I write this as 3 cube? Right? So guys, again, it's important you don't just see it, you listen to this. If this is 3 cube, 3 cube into 4 will become 12. Why? Because see, my answer is also 3 into 2 ka format. That's why I'm doing this. This is also 2 cube. This is also 2 cube. So which means this is also 2 to the power 12. Right? Leave the answer wo dekh lenge. It's already written here. I don't have to write it again. Right? Now again, it's a very, very good thing now. 6 6 are 36. So as of now I'll write it, but in exam this is what you can do. 6 to the power 4 will remain. Why? Let's understand this. See, we need to save as much time as possible in exam. Can I write this number as, because 6 into 6 na, which means this and this will get cancelled out. I'll be left with only 1 6 to the power 4. Hope this is clear. But do I need to do that? See, इतना लिखने से अच्छा थोड़ा सा समझ के अगर देखोगे, you know that 6 to the power 4 means this is going to be, it will get deducted. It will, आप इसको कट करोगे तो ये 6 बचेगा. 6 6 36. सिर्फ इसको कट कर दो ना. 6, आपको फाइनली 6 to the power 4 देखना है. That's it. Simple. 6 to the power 4 remains. Now, can I say this is nothing but 3 into 2 to the power 4? Correct. Now, if you see up here, it's again 3 to the power 12 and 2 to the power 12. Right? Guys, please understand, I'm not writing the actual steps. Utna likhoge to you'll go mad. Right? Trust me, 2 steps this question should have been over. That's what we are trying to do here. Right? So, which means, and okay, if you don't know the concept, a to the power m divided by a to the power n jab hota tha, the answer used to be a to the power m minus n. Right? Those little concepts, that's it, right? Which means this will get deducted from here, this will get deducted from here, because 3 to the power 12 by 3 to the power 4, 2 to the power 12 by 2 to the power 4, right? So the point here is directly write the answer here. It becomes 3 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 8. 3 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 8. And अगर आप इधर देखोगे तो it's the same thing which they have written here, right? So basically what you need is, in your answer, what you need is 3 into 2 to the power 8 is what you need. This is what gives you 3 into 2 to the power 8. Right? So 5 already diya hua, what you need is 3. Khatam. So see, again, because of I have to explain, you take some time, but इन रियल लाइफ आप सिर्फ 2 स्टेप लिख के ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते थे एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल डू मिस्टेक इन देयर राइट वो पूरा स्टेप लिखेंगे एंड दे विल से सर इट वाज वेरी कैलकुलेटिव नो वेयर इज इट कैलकुलेटिव इट इज नथिंग बट 3 into 2 and they have given this pause it write down whatever way you want to write down they have given here your answer is in the format of 3 into 2 तो change कर दो ना सबको I hope you get this go to the next one yeah, there are a few things missing here so but I'll write down right so this is 314 plus 2 1 by 2 minus 5 minus yeah so I think only one thing is missing so I don't need this also 2 1 by 2 so this is the question here and again people will the normal way of doing it is 4 into 3 12 plus 1 13 by 4 plus 5 by 2 minus 6 5 11 by 6 and all this nonsense come on then see it's look at your options once again and mind you these are actual questions actual options see this now so how do you solve this trust me a lot of these things are nonsense all your options are quite far away from each other can I take this as only 3 can I take this as only 2 can I take this as only 1 khatam 3 plus 2 minus 1 that's it see basically the meaning of this is nothing but 3.25 1 4 or na 3.25 this is 2 1 by 2 which means plus 2.5 minus 1 point I think 833 something 5 by 6 is that reciprocals is what you're supposed to know so I've converted reciprocals to decimal right मैं बोल रहा हूँ इसकी भी जरूरत है क्या my options are so far away from each other directly get the answer just that's it देखो 3 plus 2 will give me 5 5 minus 1 will give me 4 correct now ये दोनों plus में और ये minus में तो more or less cut हो जाएगा right okay another thing see there is another way of doing this one way is what you already know right this is mixed fraction तो आप इसको change कर सकते हो you can also do it like this 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 plus 1 by 8 सबको आप अलग अलग करोगे you'll still get the same answer right what we teach in our fraction का concept so here just take 3 plus 2 minus 1 और इनको आप अलग करोगे तो 2 प्लस में है रेसिप्रोकल और एक बड़ा रेसिप्रोकल माइनस में मोर और लेस सेम होने वाला है कुछ ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा which means just by looking at this you can directly write 4 that's what you need the best shortcut I can tell you why because my options are quite far away yes if my options were a little more closer trust me अगर मेरे ऑप्शन ऐसे भी होते थे ना तब भी मैं ये यूज कर सकता था why because these are very small numbers बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा वैसे भी and then ये दो प्लस में है और ये एक माइनस में है तो वैसे भी कट ऑफ होने वाला है so won't make much of a difference yes if my options were something like this then I would have been more careful right but 99% of the times examiners won't do that right so let's do this now so this gives me 4 now अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुआ है this is sum square so let's take that whole square thing as x right see remember kabhi bhi wo square hoga square root hoga and all those things don't do that take this whole thing as x by 10 likhne ki zarurat nahi hai main sirf abhi likh raha hu plus 1 by 5 by 12 now 1 by 5 by 12 is 1.5 not more than that kyunki इकलौता number है 6 by 12 होता तो पक्का 1.5 होता now this 1 by 1.5 will shift on the left hand side which means this will become 2.5 approximately it's all approximation so which means I want my answer to be 2.5 now if I want my answer to be 2.5 this should be 25 that's it right so to be honest you could have done it with one step maximum 2 step वो भी बहुत ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ मैं जरूरत नहीं था मतलब you could have finished the question here आगे लिखने की जरूरत है because you know that 1.5 will go on the other side now if 1.5 go on the other side it will become 2.5 now the only thing which you can get here is 25 so remember yeah and these people are quite smart they have given your one option is also 25 answer is not 25 answer is 5 why answer is 5 because finally what you need is pause it see it जो अगर लिखना लिख लो finally what you need is this राइट हमने जो निकाला है वो पूरा ये निकाला है 25. सो यू कैन टेक इट लाइक दिस x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 25. द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज प्लस माइनस 5. लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. होप यू गॉट दिस. Yeah, now this is a beauty, to be honest, and I've intentionally taken this question here, to be honest, right? So this is what it says: 1 by 6 of 92% of 1 by 23 of 650, which is equal to 85 plus something. So I'll get answer for this. I don't mind getting answer for this. I'll actually solve this now. Let's see now. They're extremely close. So if I was a student, you know, the other three questions which I solved, I will solve this. I will not solve in examination. Guys, please understand, I will not solve this in examination. Why? Because my options are closed, which means the only possible way is solve it. There's no other way. Likho. Now, you know, this 1 by 23 I would have taken as only one, but नहीं, यहाँ पे मुझे पूरा लेना पड़ेगा भाई. My options are very close. थोड़ा भी इधर उधर हुआ तो गया आंसर. So it becomes 24 by 23 into 650 is equal to 85 plus something. Now solve it. There's no other option which I can see here. Right? So if you want, yes, solve it. This will give me 25. Yeah, so this is what I'm getting at the end of the day. So it's my 104. So this is 104 is equal to 85 plus something. 85 plus something. I think 85 plus 19. So answer is option number 3. So yes, we got the answer, but पूरा वो calculation करना पड़ा. To be honest, I did not add any value in this. Right? There was no value addition from my side. ये आपको खुद को करना पड़ेगा. Right? So that's it. Fair enough. Let's move to the next one now. Yeah, this again is a very good question. Trust me, देख के आंसर आना चाहिए था. And इसमें भी लोग थोड़ा बहुत तो लिखेंगे. Look at this, get the answer. Right? This is the most stupid question I can ever see. Right? So देख के पता चलता है कि ये सब बकवास है. This is all nonsense. Now the only point which you should have noticed here is after decimal I have got 4 numbers. Division में after decimal I have got 4 numbers. Which means decimal cut होने वाला है. And these are all zeros. ये सब zeros है. So what I'll be left with 4 by 1, which is nothing but 4. So this is first visible thing which you should have seen. And the second important thing which you should have noticed here was it is 4 into 36. And then people will actually multiply. Guys, come on, look at your options. मतलब come on, ये नहीं हो सकता. ये बहुत छोटा है. ये बहुत बड़ा है. ये बहुत छोटा है. एक ही ऑप्शन है, क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करने का यार? See, even that flick of a second, why should you waste? देख के ये सब ऑप्शन नहीं हो सकते, एक ही है. I won't multiply. That's the only value addition I can give you. See, a lot of people say कि सर अरे हाँ ये बहुत easy question था, मेरा आंसर सही आया. It's not about an easy question and you getting a correct answer. It's about other people might take 5 seconds. Why? Because they'll actually multiply. And you should take just 2 seconds. क्यों? क्योंकि तुमको देख के आंसर ही मार्क करना. Now those, you know, this kind of time saving does help a lot. It seriously does. Fair enough? Okay, let's see more. Yeah, again a beauty. Seriously, let's see how to solve this now. Nothing, seriously, nothing special in this question, and then you say कि sir आपने ये क्या question लिया? तो कोई भी कर सकता है. That's not the point. The point is how fast you can do it. Right? Now let's see now. My options again are quite far away. Now 137% मतलब 100% से तो ज्यादा ही है. मतलब इस नंबर से तो बड़ा ही होगा. इस नंबर से बड़ा होगा मतलब ये यूजलेस है और ये भी यूजलेस है. That's the first thing you should have done. Correct? देख के कुछ करना, दिमाग भी नहीं लगाना. The point is how fast you can solve it now. See, मैं लिख रहा हूं, बट आपको सिर्फ दिमाग में करना चाहिए था. Can I take this as which you won't write in exam? लिखना नहीं है. 100% अलग निकालो, 37% अलग लगा लो. Which means it is nothing but इसी नंबर में in the same number इसी का 37% ऐड कर दो. That's the meaning, correct? Right now the problem is 37%. Guys, it is nothing but can I say instead of 37%? See now, ये आपको देख के क्लिक होना चाहिए, मतलब इतना सब लिख के क्लिक करोगे तो फिर but आंसर ही सॉल्व ही कर दो ना पूरा. Right, the best way it could have clicked was, can I take it as 1/3? 100% तो ये नंबर खुद हो गया. Instead of 37%, can I take 1/3? Why? Because my options are quite far away. 1/3 is 33.33%. Once again, reciprocals are so important. 1/3 is 33.33%. इसका 1/3 निकाल लो, खत्म हो गया. और इसी में ऐड करना है, वो भी फटाक से कर सकते हैं. देखो, so 1/3 मुझे इसका निकाल के इसी में ऐड करना, तो 1/3 of this will be 3 4 जा 12. ध्यान से देखो, I want to go forward now. 3 4 जा 12 मिल गया मुझे. Now 12 plus 4 is going to be 16, right? So can I say it is 16,000 से थोड़ा ज्यादा? The only option is this. खत्म. पता है ना, 16 एक ही ऑप्शन है, फिनिश हो गया. So please understand, even in those easier questions, if you can just use these small things, it helps like anything. It does help like anything. Fair enough. That's it as far as simplification is concerned. Keep watching more videos. I hope it helps you. Thank you.